Now we are going to see the next module of Kali Linux Nexus course. In the previous module, we saw about the Kali Linux history. Also, we saw the installation of Kali Linux. In this module, we are going to see about the basic shell commands. Now, what do you mean by a shell? Shell is basically the user input is given by the user and it is being sent to the operating system. So now I have turned on my terminal, and after zooming in, I am going to type the first command, that is echo double quotes test. It will be printing test. After that, if I press echo single quote test, again the same thing, and if I press echo test, that will also print the same thing. The next command that we are going to see is echo test, and I'm going to save it into the file test.txt. Now I want to know about the file contents, so I'll press cat test.txt so that now I can understand it is being saved properly in this test.txt file. Next command is sudo su, which is used to get into the root user of the Kali Linux. But how do I know how that we are into the any user? For this thing, I have to type the command who am I, which will display the current user. If I go to the root user and if I press who am I will get to know that now from Kali user I have changed to root user. So next command we are going to see to create a blank file. So the command is touch abc.txt, and if I press this, I'll be able to see that abc.txt is a blank file. So I'm going to press cat. See, there is no content in abc.txt. If I want to enter any content, we'll be using some of the editors. For now, if I press echo test, I save it into abc.txt, then it is going to overwrite the file, and if I say cat abc.txt, it will enter the test. Next command is ls, which displays the current directories as well as the folders. We have dir as well, but the main problem is dir is not specifying into blue that it is a file or folder. So it is always preferable to use ls. In this, we have ls space la if we want to know more in detail about the file and folders. So what exactly are these columns? This that we are seeing, it is a directory file. These are the file permissions. Next is we are seeing the users. Then we are seeing what is the memory of this file, and we are going to see the creation date or last modified date. It completely depends on the scenario. Next command we are going to see is clear, which will clear all the terminal. Then we have one more command, that is cd. If we press cd, it will be in the home directory itself, because cd means the home directory. If I even say cd dot, it will again be the home directory. So wherever you see tilde, that is the home directory. If I say cd space dot dot, that means I am going one folder back. So this is home folder now. I don't want to stay in home folder. I want to go back to the original folder, that is cd dot. It is not going. So at this time I have to go to cd tilde. It is the home folder. Now next, if I want to know about the current working directory, I have to press pwd. If I want to know about the history, then I'll press history, so that I will have whatever I have typed previously, I can get it directly. And we also, if we are stuck somewhere, we can just press man and let's say cat. It will show us all the detail related to the usage of this particular cat. So that's how we can know more about the commands. If we are stuck anywhere, we are not able to use the commands, we can use man for manual purposes. We have learned about echo, pwd, ls, history, clear, cat, and many more commands. In the next module, we will be studying about file directory traversal.